2017. Our people as we became secondary school.
We all people as we became secondary schools. This year a long school in Yangon City. A new city is Đắk Nông province. Đắk Nông province is located on Center Highland. The UNESCO program and external relations commissioners of the 209 executives board has recognized the Đắk Nông geopark in the Center Highland province of Đắk Nông as a global geopark. Đắk Nông set us as the leader to 3,000 while meeting its geopark.
Each of three rules is distinguishable experience promising to offer domestic and international tourism extremely special experiences. Rule 1, the loss of water and fire. Rule 2, certainty of the new wind. Rule 3, sound from the earth.
Today I would like to talk about DRAY SAP WATERFALL within the 11th edition. It's round 1, the long shot of water and fire in
can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Our presentation has three parts. First, we will find out about the origin of the name DRAY SAP.
Next, I would like to talk about best time to visit DRAY SAP and DRAY Waterfall.
Finally, is the top thing you can do in this beautiful tourist attraction.
This name is derived from a legend of love story between a boy and a girl who live in this area. What every day Hermes, name of the girl, used to go to Winter with her love. One day, while resting on a flat stone, they saw a monster who was at the mountain eye like broad earth.
Suddenly, the mountain died down from the sky and his trunk plunged into the ground. Stirring of a column of water, the mountain spit out its long wing, flew around several times, making a furrow. Ran the flew away in terrible shock. The girl disappeared into the mist. The boy was transformed into a big stream. Was brought into the rock. This place was then called the DRAY SAP or Misty Waterfall.
Let's find out the best time to visit DRAY SAP and DRAY Waterfall. DRAY SAP and DRAY Waterfall offer visitors a unique experience at any time of DRAY SAP of the year. The recent tropical climate is divided into two distinct seasons: the rainy season, which runs from May to October, and the dry season, which runs from November to April of the following year.
Finally, is the top thing you can do in this beautiful tourist attraction.
To get access to the waterfall, visitors must take part in a series high along a well-maintained trail that will win its way through the forest. It is not too difficult and take about 20-30 minutes to reach the waterfall, DRAY SAP and DRAY New.
Immerse yourself in nature of forest, mountain, and waterfall. After some time, you will arrive or live in the forest, bird from the hustle and bustle of daily life, and immersed in the beauty of nature. Swimming in the stream or waterfall is an activity that many tourists enjoy experiencing.
Conquer the perilous suspension trek connecting DRAY SAP and DRAY New. Hiking down the valleys, you will encounter the suspension trek, which is located between the stunning waterfall and DRAY New. And DRAY SAP, far from being just an ordinary trek. The suspension trek offers a thrilling experience in just an ordinary trek. The suspension trek offers a thrilling experience with a constant swaying and shaking. Waking across it is sure to be a memorable experience that will stay with you long after you leave.
To see the truth around you. From distance you can tell.
To conclusion, I would like to tell that Great SAP Waterfall are two of the most impressive natural wonders in Central Vietnam.
Both waterfalls are easily accessible by road and offer you a unique experience from traveling.
Thank you for your listening